Let's find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 1.4 centimeters. We use the formula c equals 2 pi r, and we'll take pi as 22/7. So c equals 2 times 22/7 times 1.4. That gives us c is equal to 2 times 3.14 times 1.4. And finally, c is almost equal to 8.8 centimeters. So the circumference is approximately 8.8 centimeters. Let's solve the equation. M divided by 4 equals 11. To eliminate the denominator, multiply both sides by 4. M divided by 4 times 4 is equal to 11 times 4. This gives M equals 44. So the value of M is 44. Let's find the LCM of 18 and 24. Using the division ladder method, we write the two numbers side by side like this. Now we divide both numbers by common prime factors, starting with 2. 2 divides both 18 and 24, we get 9 and 12. 2 divides 12, we get 9 and 6. 2 divides 6, we get 9 and 3. 3 divides 9 and 3, we get 3 and 1. 3 divides 3, we get 1 and 1. When both numbers become 1, multiply all the divisors on the left. 2 cubed times 3 squared equals 72. So the LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. Let's arrange the fractions 5/12, 3/10, 3/5, and 2/5 in ascending order. Convert each fraction to a like denominator using LCM. The LCM of 12, 10, and 5 is 120. Now multiply each fraction by 120 to compare them easily. 5/12 times 120 is equal to 50. 3/10 times 120 is equal to 36. 3/5 times 120 is equal to 72. 2/5 times 120 is equal to 48. Arranging the values in ascending order gives 3/10, 2/5, 5/12, 3/5. Let's find the volume of a cylinder with a base radius of 3.5 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. We use the formula volume of a cylinder, V equals pi r squared h. First, convert 3.5 to decimal. That's 3.5 centimeters. Also, let's use pi equals 22/7. Now substitute into the formula V equals 22/7 times 3.5 squared times 12. That gives V equals 462 cubic centimeters. So the volume of the cylinder is 462 cubic centimeters. Let's go through some basic metric length conversions. 10 millimeters equal 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters equal 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters equal 1 meter. 10 meters equal 1 decameter. 10 decameters equal 1 hectometer. 10 hectometers equal 1 kilometer. Now some commonly used shortcuts. 100 centimeters equal 1 meter. 1,000 meters equal 1 kilometer. All these follow the base 10 structure of the metric system, making conversions simple and consistent.